Hi guys, it's me teacher Diana. In this video you will find instructions of the activities that you have to work in this week from July 27th to 31st. Don't forget to deliver your work no later than Friday at 1 p.m. Any additional information you can contact me by Educar or email. Okay, so let's start with the page 250. Here we have everyday writing skills, logical sequence. There are two main aspects of content instructions to consider: a structure of writing layout, logical sequence of the content. In the first exercise, you have to look at the write-up on the page 248 and list all the sequence linkers used. Remember that the sequence linkers are first, before, then, afterwards, finally, and so on. But you have to write only the ones that are on the rise up on the page 248. Okay, then you are going to read the rise up writing tips and you are going to add two more tips, okay? Different from the ones that are already right in your book. Finally, you are going to think of a meal and describe. Also, you are going to list the ingredients in the box below, specifying the exact amounts needed. Okay, you can think on a spaghetti rice, for example, write the ingredients and how much you need of each one. And for finish on this page, you have a portfolio activity in a separate Word document. You are going to write a write-up for a meal you invited for the blog The Future of Food. Use the writing tips on this page and use the write-up on the page 248 as a model. On the page 251, you have the vocabulary builder. Please listen to track 30 for you can practice your pronunciation, and when you finish, solve the puzzle by reading the clues below. You can use your word list if you need it. In the second exercise, you have to write a short story with the vocabulary words in the box. Those words. Remember that you have to use all the words from the box. In the third exercise, you have to look at the chart. I'm going to give you a letter and you have to write the words that begin with the letter that I'm going to mention for as many categories as you can think of. The letter for this exercise is M. So now you have to write as many words, as many categories you can. On the page 252, you have listening. You are going to use the track 34 and 35. First, you are going to listen to conversation on the track 34. Circle the types of food that a lacto-ovo vegetarian eats. In the second one, you have to listen to conversation in the track 34 again. Read the sentences, circle T for true, F for false, and the S for doesn't say. Then you are going to write your answer to the next question. In your opinion, why do people become vegetarian? Let's continue. Now you are going to listen the news report, the track 35, and you must have to circle the correct answer for each one. We have 4 questions. For finish this page, you are going to answer this question. How will intelligent food labels change the way we shop, cook, and eat? In this case, you are going to answer individual way and you can do it in this space that is in your book. On the page 253, we have Masters of the Bookworm. The reading is about a medieval feast. Once you already read the text, you are going to work individual and you have to make a short menu for the feast below. Make sure you include the meals that you will most like to eat and some dishes using some of the future food developments mentioned earlier in the unit. Make sure to include a variety of ingredients for vegetarian and people who have food allergy. You are going to do this menu in this space that you have here. On the page 255, we have cross-curricular. Here you will read a text about physical and chemical changes when cooking food. You are going to read this text and you are ready for the exercise. In the first one, you have to decide if the following changes are physical or chemical. Circle pH for physical changes and CH for chemical changes. In individual way, you are going to make a list of dishes that apply physical changes and another one for chemical changes. Here physical and here chemical. Then you have to write which list is longer. What do you think this is? If you don't know much dishes of chemical and physical changes, you can search in internet or you can have more information. And this is all for this week, guys. Remember, always believe that something wonderful is about to happen. See you guys. Bye.